back to my channel. Today I just opened up my salon and I am ready to serve some people. So let's just wait. Oh, there's a customer. Hi. Hello. Yeah, I'd like to what's this place called again? The salon. Yeah, I'd like to do an appointment. Yes, would you like me to cut your hair or dye it? Yes, I'd like both. That'll be $28. Okay, please go take a seat over there. And I'll get your things ready. Okay. Go brush. Oh, and also, what color did you want it to be? Blonde, please. Brings me back to my old days. I didn't ask. But anyways. First of all, I'd need to take this out. And I'm going to start brushing your hair. Yikes. I look so beautiful. Okay, let me just go put this away and get the scissors. Okay, your hair is finished. If you'd like to look in the mirror, you can. One thing. Oh, I look wonderful. Thank you so much. You are lovely. I'll tell my friends to come here. Okay, let's just get in my seat now. Hopefully another person will come. Oop. Yeah, hello? Hello? Oh, hey, hello, darling. I'd like a hair appointment, please. Hello, what hair color would you like me? Just black. Okay, and also would you like to tab that? Oh, yes. Okay, please go sit down and I'll put the dye in your hair when I'm ready. Okay. Let's just grab this. There is this. It's finished. Wow, that was really fast. You must be expert. Oh yeah, I do. I have a license. License? I've never heard that in my life before. Yeah, it's pretty weird. Thank you so much, kind ma'am. No problem. Oh, there comes the man. Hi. Can I get black hair? Sir, do you have your wallet with you? Let's see. Ah, yes. Hey, it is. Okay, that'll be $20. I have a really bad feeling, but anyways. Oh, thank you. Thank you. No problem. I'm going to leave. So you left your wallet. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Anyways, that was so weird. I think I'm gonna like stop serving people now. Where are all the lights? I guess I'll just leave it like this. Anyways, this was a short film by Rainy Corn. Anyways, bye guys.